Hey everybody, Easy Amateur Radio here. Thanks for tuning in for another video. So today we have a new toy to go on the test bench. I've had a few of these over the years, and this one I've picked up, and it's gonna go over the meter when we're testing CBs and things like that in a CB shop. So this is a DFC100 wireless frequency counter. I'm not going to use the wireless feature. I'm gonna go ahead and use the coax pass-through. Delta Electronics made this. You can get it for about $115 on eBay. I'll leave a link to the store where I bought it. But let's take a look at it. So this is how it comes. You're seeing my reaction to this at the same time I am. So let's pull that out. Nice, big, real nice and big, probably about 1 inch tall, about 4 inches across the top. I will measure that in a second. Switches, power on, off, the antenna or the pass-through DC jack. That's where your telescopic antenna goes if you want to do it wirelessly. In and out. It is 12 volt. I like that. This is pretty much for just a CB band from what I understand. And let's see what else comes in the box. AC power supply and the telescopic antenna to use. Let's get this box out of the way. And look at this. So the unit itself is about 4.5 inches wide, probably closer to 4 3/4 and 1.25 inches tall. Let's go ahead and get it in line and look at it with the meter. Okay, so we got it hooked up. I really don't know how I feel about this frequency counter. It's in line, everything is okay. So this should be 27 1.85, I think. And we'll go ahead and key the mic up. Hello 1 2 3, hello 1 2 3. You know, that's not what it should be on the frequency counter. Hello 1 2 3, hello 1 2 3. But with the telescopic antenna hooked up, we'll go ahead and put it on antenna. You can see it's picking up a bunch of signals. Let's try this. Hello 1 2 3, hello 1 2 3, hello, hello, hello. Not too bad. It comes right up what it should be. Now Dozy does make a meter that tells you a little bit better, I think. But this is what I'm using right now. Maybe one day I'll swap over to that. But yeah, so that's the DFC100 frequency counter for CB radio. Works pretty good. It is what it is. Let's try it on one. Not too bad, not too far off, especially not for a Cobra that's this old. Hello 1 2 3 4, hello 1 2 3 4. There you go, you hear it on the shop radio. Sounds pretty good. This is, yeah, you know, getting a little loud right there, but this has been testing Cobra 25 with the frequency counter, and yeah, not too shabby.